Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Pillion Traveler. If you have not watched the previous videos, do check out in the description box where I have given all the links. This is the very last episode of this series where we are covering South Sikkim and West Sikkim in Feb 2021. So yeah, this is the last episode, and you have seen in the previous episode that we have reached till Temiti Garden, and from Temiti Garden today we will be heading towards Tarebir. We will be staying at Tarebir today, and next morning the plan is to head back to Siliguri. So stay tuned. Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Tarebir. Yesterday it was evening when we reached Tarebir, so couldn't take much videos, but today I'll show you the place around. I'll give you a quick room tour, and trust me, this place is just mind-blowing. So yeah, this is the place. You see, this is our cottage. So just one room for both of us, and I'll show you how it is inside. So this is how it is. It has two beds, so one we are using to keep our luggage and everything, and one we are using to sleep. They always have hot water, so they have facilities of geyser and available hot water for drinking anytime you want. This is the washroom, also pretty decent. Now I'll quickly show you the place outside. So this place is still under construction because there will be some more cottages there where you see there's a new construction happening, and also this will be a place for paragliding. So whatever paragliding is happening, this will be the landing spot. And from here exactly you have the viewpoint of Tarebir, or the sunrise point, whatever you call. So we have stayed here last night because we wanted to exactly see the sunrise, which is a little difficult to get to see otherwise. So people generally come here to just as a visiting spot, so they come during the day, see the viewpoint, and that's all. But we decided to stay at this place just to see the sunrise from here, which we could today. The sky was clear, and thankfully we could get to see a great and awesome, amazing sunrise from here. So this is where I'm walking. So this will lead you to the viewpoint. Let me show you. So it's quite a bit trail. So we have taken all our sunrise pictures and photos just from here, where I'll take you. But you can go down and again go up. We will do that after having breakfast probably. Yeah, so I'll tell you. The sun is already up and bright. Okay, so yeah, I see here. From here, if you go straight up, there's one viewpoint up, you see here. This is one viewpoint, and from here, this is the main USP of this place, guys. Just have a look. See this. This is sunrise. We have seen the sunrise from here. You can see. So this is the basically trail that you need to take. So you have to go all the way down from here, go from here, and go at the edge of the mountain. This place is basically very nicely created and structured. So you go till the end of this cliff, you see. Wow, what a view. I can tell you guys, camera can never justify to what we see with our naked eyes. And trust me, this place is something else. I don't have any words to explain. Just enjoy this sunrise. So this is where we are having our breakfast today, in the open, in the sun, because it's very sunny, and we just requested them to place the breakfast outside. So we have roti here, and then we have chole and sabji. You see it's steaming hot. We have some chutney here. So now we are taking this trail which goes till the end of the cliff. We had our breakfast, we have packed up everything because after this we will be heading towards Siliguri today. And this trail will take something around 1 hour to go and come back. And trust me, it's not easy. It's gonna be very difficult. While going down it's fine, but while we come up it will be really challenging. But yes, we are not in a hurry today because Siliguri is not very far from here. So we have good amount of time. We are enjoying ourselves. We are enjoying the views and walking through this amazing trail. Being said that, this trip to South Sikkim and West Sikkim is coming to an end, but we have gathered some amazing and beautiful memories which will always remain very close to our heart. And we will soon surely plan something up again, but till then this will be something amazing that we have done. So guys, it's around 1 p.m. and we are leaving for Siliguri. Siliguri is not very far, as I have said earlier. It's only around 73 kilometers, which will take somewhere around 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours if we take break to reach Siliguri. And we have our train from Siliguri to Kolkata, which is at around 8:30. So we have good amount of time. One quick information, guys, while you are coming to Tarebir, the last 2 or 3 kilometers is kind of off-road, and again while you are going back from Tarebir towards Siliguri, the first 2 or 3 kilometers will be again off-road. But this road is under construction and we have got information from the locals that it will be built very soon, so no worries if you're coming to Tarebir in few months. So yeah, that's it for this episode and this series. If you have liked the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll also have a quick summary at the end of the video of this entire series. Do have a look into that, and thank you for watching. So here we have our Himalayan ready. sanctuary, you can